Hey guys, this is me, Roblepk here. And today I got something in the mail. Obviously, it's still an unboxing because that's what I do on my channel. And give me a second. I think that's what was going on. I'm adjusting my camera. I'm adjusting the camera. Yeah. Anyways. So I got something in the mail, and I'm not exactly sure what it is. I'm pretty sure it's my Teflon papers and my heat resistant stuff for my heat press for my possible business that I was talking about before, because I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. I would like to start a t-shirt business. But I gotta get my heat press first. That's the big thing right now. The papers and all that stuff. I think that's what's in the box. But I'm going to open it to find out. There you saw my arms. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And we'll see what's in this big gargantuan box. So there's a gargantuan box right here. It's ginormous. Just like they say on Elf, these toilets are ginormous. So yeah, I'm gonna open the top, and I can't show you guys the top for the simple reason that there's my information up there. So yeah, that's not gonna happen. But other than that, I will be showing you that. Hope this knife doesn't spring out. It kind of hurts when it springs up. Okay, so for the moment of truth, guys. For the moment of truth. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Holy crap. Okay. That's a lot of packaging stuff. I am all for zero waste, as mentioned before, but oh my gosh. Oh my holy crap. There's everything in here. Okay, so oh my gosh. Oh my holy moly. What the heck is that? Okay guys, so yeah, this is something else. Okay, so here's what I got. This is one of the apparently 3 treasures I got in here. So this I specifically ordered. It is a Diazzo speedball. I'm not sure why my effect's so dithered. It's really weird. It's getting all weird. Give me a second. I'm gonna try to fix this. Okay guys, so I did change up the settings a bit. That's why it's a little bit more clear. I hope it's better than it was before. I don't know if it automatically changed something in there or whatever, but it was a little bit more dithered before. But anyways, so this is my Diazzo light kit. I do believe it only has the light in there. Yeah, it literally says contents is lamp. So even though it technically is only a lamp, they call it a kit. I don't know how that works, but you know, some companies have their things. So this, oh, there's even a piece of paper in here. Holy mother of Christmas. Wow. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is a big large Marge lamp. That's what it looks like. So, I got a big lamp. It's got a warning sticker on it. So that's what that is. This right here is ceramic. And guys, if these are plugged into the wall, do not touch the inside of this, especially with these lamps. It's not good. Just think safety first. You're not supposed to touch the insides of those. This isn't plugged in, so I'm okay as far as safety wise. But if it was, I would never touch it. And I got a special light bulb. It's called a photo flood. It's specifically meant for this stuff. It's a bigger bulb that says the average life expectancy of this is 3 hours. So I don't even know where I'm going to get some more of these, but they got a... It's by the company Ico. If you can see that. Here, I'm going to try the hand thing. No, I don't think that's working. Yeah, anyways, it's by the company Ico. If you can see it on the box. See? It's by the company Ico. And it's a Supreme Flood, photo flood light. So it's built literally for screen printing. And then for some reason, they included a black sheet of paper in there. I don't know if that's just to protect the light so it doesn't bounce around or what, but I don't think it helps much, you know, as far as protection, but I'm not the person who packaged it. So then we got, oh, well, that's a cool little thing. Okay, so this right here, I thought it was something else. Perfect for heat presses, easy cleanup, superior quality, single use. It says multifunction sublimation. This, my dear friends, is actually, they're called Teflon sheets. They're apparently in a roll, but it's a specific type of sheet that's meant to be highly heat resistant. If what the description on Amazon said was right, these can go, let's see here. It says Teflon sheet for heat press, 16 by 20 inch, set of 3. So there's 3 in here. So if one for some reason burns up, there's 2 others. And they should last a long time because they're built to absorb heat. It says on the box, heat resistant up to 600 degrees. So protect your working surface. So basically what happens is you put the shirt down and then you put the Teflon on top, you put the shirt down, you put the decal on top of the shirt, you drop the Teflon on top of that, and then you drop the heat press on top of that. What happens then is the decal or your design on the shirt actually will mold to the shirt, but the heat press won't burn it because of the Teflon layer. But the Teflon layer also gets hot enough so it is more like a convection oven kind of thing. It conveys the energy down to the t-shirt so it gets hot enough, but it will not burn it unless you just leave it there. Then it might melt your Teflon, and it might melt your shirt, and it will destroy the decal. Yeah. Guys, don't leave your heat press. If you're doing heat pressing or t-shirt businesses, don't leave it alone. If you're gonna go elsewhere or leave the house or whatever, turn your darn heat presses off. especially if you're going to be gone for a couple hours. That's not a good idea, because your heat presses, unless you own a big factory that does heat pressing, that has automatic heat presses that shut off. I don't know if that's a thing, but I would imagine there's a lot of industrial things out there. I don't know. And the bigger you get, the better the industrial machines get. So there probably are automatic ones that turn themselves off. That's great for those, but for a personal heat press, yeah, I haven't seen one that automatically turns itself off yet. So don't leave your heat presses if you're going to do that. If you're going to walk away from them for, you know, an extended period of time, just turn them off, pull the lids up, or, you know, swing them away, or just turn them off, let them cool down, take your shirts out if you can. If not, just do the swing away thing and just let them cool down. Don't bother with keeping them on the shirt or whatever. You'll burn your house down, even if there's a Teflon thing on there, because they're heat resistant to a certain point, but at some certain point it's going to reach 600 degrees and it's not good. Anyways, besides that factor, so I read the first one. The second one says easy cleanup, 100% no stick, no mess, low oil. You can wash clean with soap or water, so they're washable. Reusable and easy trim, or easily trim to any size for convenience use. So let's say you have a plate that is, I'm going to say like a 12 by 15. These are 16 by 20. So in order to cover your plate completely, you might cut it down to like 13 by 16, or even if you really want to risk it, cut it exactly that size down to 12 to 15, and then you'll have it exactly. But I would cut it a little bit bigger to make sure it covers everything. Then you got it. Then it's there. Okay, so that's that. And then it says place it over the HTV, so that's the heat press, or the HTV. Oh, heat transfer. I don't remember what the V was for, but it's the heat transfer station. And then it says, and iron away when applying heat transfer vinyl to shirts and other items. So that's only if you're going to iron on. These work for iron-on decals, and they work for heat press decals. What they're talking about on the box is if you are ironing stuff on them, you can use these for iron-on shirts. You shouldn't have to, but they are heat resistant for that, and it will protect your shirts better. So they are usable for that. But if you're just doing iron-ons, you shouldn't have to use Teflon stuff, because for that you should just be able to, I believe you can just spray them with like a fabric starch or something like that, and then you just iron on the detail. It's like ironing on a patch, but you know, it's smaller. Heat transfer paper, yeah. Anyways, then it says multifunction sublimation. Applies in various crafts, including ironing, t-shirt heat press, heat transfer vinyl, they spelled that wrong, dehydrator sheets, I don't know what that is. I would imagine it's some sort of, like, you dehydrate something. I'm guessing it's some sort of water press something or another. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff I don't know about screen printing and all that stuff. I'm learning right now myself, so that might be one I'll look up later and talk to you guys about. A craft mat, a CAD cut application. Okay, so let's see here. And then it says heat printing. So I'm guessing that's kind of like the t-shirt heat press. Heat sensitive mask. I don't know what that is either. The cold peel material and more. I don't know. Okay, so I don't have a clue what. I think heat printing similar to heat press. I'm thinking that's just the other line. Like if you're actually like printing on the t-shirts with heat. Heat sensitive mask, I don't know what that is. Cold peel, I'm thinking it's you're putting it on there with some sort of cold water thing or something, and then you're peeling it away. So I'm thinking that's what that is. But anyways, so yeah, these are Teflon sheets. That's the whole deal behind this whole thing. A lot of explaining for Teflon sheets. Yay! Yay for explanations. Then guys, this is the official thing. There's 100 sheets in here, and it's light fabric transfer paper. This is specifically for heat transfer or heat pressing. I got this from a company. They said right here, made in the USA. And it's called New Fun Activities, but these are specifically meant, like, you put these in your printer and then you print out the transferring stuff, like decals and all that stuff, and then you put that under a heat press with the Teflon on top of it, with the shirt underneath, and then voila, you got t-shirts. It takes, I think they said, like 20 seconds to a minute or something like that, because the heat press, it's got a lot of heat going through it, and it just melds it right to the shirt. It's actually a pretty decent way to do it, and it's fast, so you can crank out a lot of t-shirts if you're going that route. If you're going screen printing, it's a little bit different. And my camera is dithering again. So that might be a good time just to call the video good. But yeah, so I got all my screen printing / heat press stuff now, except for the main ingredient, the heat press, which should be coming, if Amazon's right, November 21st through December, or November 27th through December 1st. So hopefully within this next week, and then I should be able to showcase that one on YouTube. But before then, I can't promise anything. And even after that point, I won't be able to promise anything, because I don't know when it's going to come. It's going to be, I'm almost positive, between November 27th and December 1st. So hopefully I get like on November 5th or 25th, and I can showcase it like maybe that night or something like that, but we'll see. Amazon's usually a little bit faster, but with 55-pound items, I don't know. Plus it's got a lot of accessories with it. So as I said before, we shall see. And that's all I can really tell you. Other than that, I will catch all you dudes and dudettes on the flip side. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The subscribe button is going to be up here. Well, actually down there. But I will post a link, or post a picture of what the subscribe button's supposed to be, and it's going to have a little clicky hand on it, so you guys can see what it looks like. And I will also post a link, or a little picture over there, probably, as to what the notification bell is. And you'll click the subscribe button, then the notification bell, and then you'll click all. So make sure that everything's okay and you guys get future updates as to what my videos are. Like automatically. It just happens like that. It just happens like that. Boom! Like a Thor's hammer. With electric stuff. You know. Just like that. Anyways. I will catch all you dudes and dudettes on the flip side. As said before. See you later. Bye!